Okay, ma'am. 11 to?
11 to, of course, it is a batch of 1 hour for mathematics, like for 45 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. For both of them, same in 1 hour, you'll be taking or separate 1 hour?
Ma'am, since they belong to same class, right?
Yes, ma'am. But
So I have to explain the same thing to both of them.
okay, okay, ma'am.
So I guess both of them will go for 1 hour only.
Okay,
Yes.
okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. So, hello.
Yes, ma'am, I'm there.
Yes, ma'am. So when are you going to start? When will you start?
Today, they said that they will be taking demo class.
For today, they didn't tell me anything about the same. I was just asked to join for the introduction of the student and the parent. Like, I was just asked to do the same.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Mm.
So from tomorrow we can start with the demo.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, and can we talk about the fees as well?
Sorry?
Is there any like concept like we were going to discuss about the fees as well?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. So,
Is it offline or online daily?
sorry, ma'am.
Is it online or offline for daily basis?
It would be online, ma'am, because you are from,
Hyderabad.
and I belong to Punjab, so offline
Okay,
would be quite impossible. You know that.
okay, okay. Okay.
So classes would be online only.
Yes, ma'am.
May I know their name?
Asib,
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 Atib,
Yes, yes. Okay.
and
Hania,
sorry,
Hania,
Anya, Atib
Hania,
Hania.
and
Hania, Hania.
Hanya.
Yes.
Okay, fine, ma'am. From tomorrow we can start with the same.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
So
So
we
all the
have a,
subjects you will be
huh?
taking, ma'am. For other
Sorry,
faculties. For all
sorry.
the subjects you will be taking, ma'am.
Yeah, if you want, then we can go for all subjects as well. If you want for mathematics
No,
only,
actually, I want them daily. No, I want daily English reading, Hindi reading, writing, English reading, writing, and Telugu and maths.
mm, Telugu is not possible for me to teach, of course. I don't know that language. I can
Okay.
teach English, I can teach Hindi. I can teach Hindi as well. And of course, mathematics.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. But
Okay.
people,
Fee about fee.
sorry.
You said per child 2,000, but in 1 hour you'll be taking two kids now. So any concession in fee?
Can you repeat how much were you saying? Your voice got it.
No, they said me that for per child is 2,000 for all the subjects. So you'll be taking both at a time, right? So
Yeah.
there is no concession at fee.
Till now, so there is no concession because like it is already genuine amount. It is not that much.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
No, in 1 hour you'll be taking for both of them. So in that any concession will be there.
For see, ma'am, I guess amount is already genuine.
Yes,
So,
yes, ma'am.
so I don't think that there would be concession needed for all the subjects.
Okay, okay. Then how about Telugu? You are telling that you don't know
Yeah,
Telugu then.
I am. I cannot teach Telugu because I don't know how to teach it. I even don't know how to speak Telugu. I belong
Okay,
to
okay. Then
Punjab,
how
so I
then
am. Hmm?
then Telugu what any other faculty they'll be joining on?
For that, you need to talk to ma'am, the person who is has joined in, the
Okay.
executive of this. Because I don't know that language.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, ma'am. So will you let me know when to join? From when this student will be joining?
Yes, once I'll discuss with her and I'll let you know.
Okay, sure. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.